The Auradicals Foundation of Democracy and Human Rights has handed over 40-feet container of medical supplies and equipment worth over $500,000 to the Ministry of Health and Sanitation. Alassane Cissé, a member of the Auradicals Club, said that the donation is geared towards boosting the healthcare sector in Sierra Leone, as the gesture came at a very crucial time following the 2014-2015 Ebola outbreak in Sierra Leone.
The sense is to make interventions in the health sector to help governments improve the health sector. There was a Christian organization in the US that was donating drugs and medical equipment, but usually countries or institutions across countries may compete for it. So the Auradicals entered the competition. We presented a very thorough paper. At the end of the day, our case was far more compelling than the others. So when we got the container, we decided that we would help the health sector, given the reality, especially post-Ebola reality in this country. We brought the container. We've been working with the Ministry of Health and Sanitation. We've completed assortment and we've dealt with distribution. So today was the official donation.
The Minister of Health and Sanitation, Dr. Alpha Tijanwuri, upon receiving the items, described the venture made by Auradicals Club as a laudable one and underscored the need for more collaboration in boosting the healthcare sector in Sierra Leone.
This country, at this instant in time, we are going through a phase of revisiting the growth of Sierra Leone, and with the recognition that if we do have what is described as corruption, then the poor will suffer the most. Auradicals, you have clearly said that poverty alleviation is the key. If poverty alleviation is the key, then hemming in on corruption must be the key for this group. Fledged collaboration and contribution for us to work towards universal health coverage. Our people need our service. Our people must be addressed. We must be able to not talk about corners or cottage, but to talk about the community health center in the peripheral health units, in the chiefdoms. Our people in the villages must be able to access basic facilities in those villages. And we have 5 years to do so. I want to believe with the support of Auradicals, I can attain that.
It could be recalled that the Auradicals Foundation for Democracy and Human Rights was born on the shores of Forbay College, Mount Oriel University of Sierra Leone in 1973 on strong principles of upholding fundamental human rights and justice. It promotes health education, social justice, among other things that are essentials to human existence. For Star News, Creighton Thomas reporting.